Today is Friday, March 19th. This is the 1968 Cadillac DeVille convertible tilt and telescopic steering wheel for my friends Martins in Alabama. This is a full restoration for the steering wheel and the tilt and telescopic steering column. Okay, and this is the final assembly. This is the third video in a 3-video set. The first was the disassembled components, then the functional validation test of the horn actuation, and now this is the final assembly. So this unit will be shipping out as soon as I get their okay to ship reply confirmation. And it includes the steering wheel ring, the steel band on the outer perimeter, the rear horn pad for the telescopic steering wheel, as well as the telescopic 4-inch travel cover bowl for the steering column. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've secured the coil spring with 3 clips. Quarter turn of the screws will release the clips and free the spring. It's the spring that provides the electrical continuity for the horn, regardless of the 4-inch travel of the infinite movement telescopic neck. Okay, so this was a full restoration. The unit was severely damaged, cracked, split, misaligned, had massive gaps, and I cast a new steering wheel ring, and we'll be shipping this out to my friends at Martins. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillacs, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, tilt and telescopic steering wheels, the steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage components for Cadillacs from 1959 to 1978. Today is March 19th, Friday. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.